The victims suffered multiple stab wounds, their throats were slit and their bodies set alight. His wife Elizabeth and son Lutz, who was visiting from Germany, were killed on their farm on the eve of a family birthday celebration. The attackers later confessed to the murders and the robbery. In handing down sentence, the judge described the attack as heinous and barbaric.
I hold the view that society needs to be protected from all three of you. And if one has regard to the brutal and calculated way that you went about your business, murdering three defenseless people, I have no choice but to find that you are a danger to society.
They will each serve 20-year prison sentences for robbery with aggravating circumstances and for the unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition.
It's pretty much what I expected, to be honest. I didn't expect any less. Having said that, no sentence will bring the beautiful people back. They're gone forever.
The defense was denied leave to appeal the sentences of Maduna and Ngubane, but Khoza, who is now 18, can appeal his sentence.
Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So I just played you a court case that happened quite a while back regarding a farm murder, and the reason why I decided to make this video is to illustrate to you the difference between normal crime and a farm murder. So we all know that the South African government claims that there are no farm murders, and they claim that there is no specific targeting of white people in South Africa. So I would like to put the claim on three things. Number one, you'll hear from the court case that it said that the victims were stabbed, firstly stabbed. So in a normal robbery situation, if you could get shot or stabbed, that's normal crime. Okay, and that's putting it quite harshly because crime is not on, just not on. And then you'll hear from the video that I just played you that they went a little bit further. They slit their throats. So sure, I doubt if normal crime includes slitting of throats. But anyway, let's say that they got stabbed and their throats got slit, and the robbery is finished and they packed up and they went. But in this case, it is not the case. They went as far as the third attempt. They torched their bodies. So this is the reason why organizations like Solidariteit and AfriForum is fighting against farm murders. And this is why they are shedding the light on farm murders, because the brutality in which farm murders take place is much, much worse than normal crime. Again, if it was a normal robbery, maybe a knife wound or two, and they might have taken whatever they needed or wanted and left. But again, they went as far as knifing the people or stabbing the people, slitting their throats, and then burning their bodies. This is the difference between normal crime and farm murders. And the reason why we're making this video is that we would like to share again and just awaken the world out there about the brutality of farm murders. This is South African Prepper. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.